Welcome back to the channel. It is Vlogmas day 16, and I'm so excited that you guys are here for part 2 of decluttering and cleaning this apartment. I am so excited to move into the new house, but when I tell you the cleaning, the decluttering of this old apartment, where is the tap out button? Show me where the tap out button is, because I'd be like, you know, when you actually Google like stressful things, moving is on that list. You're moving, but you still have to do everything else. So all the things that you would normally do, work, school, running here, running there, cooking, cleaning, you still have to do. And what makes it crazy is you have to do it in 2 places now. And in most cases, even the new house, you have updates to do, you have things that you're doing, you have new furniture coming. So you got to be worried about when the furniture is coming, what's happening at that house. And then you still got to turn around and make sure everything is in order for the apartment once you get back home. Oh. Outside of all of that, we really can't complain. We are here, we are alive, and I won't complain. Let's get to packing. So let me go ahead and build a couple more boxes. I have 3 boxes packed already. That's more bubble wrap, more boxes, tape, scissors, and away we go. Progress is being made, and I'm super happy because the more boxes I pack just gets me closer to the new beginnings of being in a new house. All of this will be going into the boxes. Let's go. I'm back. The boxes are piling up behind me, so that means I'm doing good. This whole section here is packed and ready to roll. Y'all better stick around. So I'm about to start bubble wrapping some stuff, and I said, I have to share this. I have to share this. Nobody is safe. Nobody is safe. Because I'm about to pull out some pictures. Going down memory lane here. Dang, my nails were square. So you know that this was a long time ago. I can't remember the last time I wore square nails. Like, I cannot. And then, are y'all ready? Are y'all ready? Bam! Look at that belly! Bro. Look at that nose. Nah, this right here is crazy. This is crazy. But, yeah. And of course, you know who's next. You know who's next. It's my little chocolate drop. Look at him. Look at Justy when he was smaller. And then this is him a little bit bigger at his school. Oh my gosh. And then he was a little bit bigger here. Oh, look at those 2 front teeth. Those 2 front teeth. And then this was a couple Christmases ago. He had on his Santa hat. Oh. This was 2019, right before COVID had hit. And last but not least, the handsome Justy that we know today. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed that quick trip down memory lane. I have so many pictures to still look at and gush over. I'm telling you guys, if you have photos that you haven't looked at in a long time, go ahead and take a look at them, because it will surely bring a smile on your face, especially during these times. Until tomorrow.